Episode 7.
Oh wait, shit.
Okay, Rap Lab, episode 7. This is going to be our most in-depth rap because we're going to be doing the door jams as well. It's a 2022 Ford Bronco. It's the Everglades Edition. As you can see, I'm taking off the sticker and we'll have a new one over it. The new wrap that we're going to be putting over it is
Satin Stealth Tundra.
Satin Stealth Tundra, aka it's tan. So, we've already started disassembling it. This is a door jam. The door jams will be tanned as well, so we're gonna take the doors off.
Black.
Oh, the door jams.
He's new here.
I just started. Yeah, they hired me as the spokesperson.
Spokesperson.
Slash dog, dude.
First last day.
I'm gonna first day, last day. These are gonna be matte black, not tan. Dude, I'm getting sweaty, bro. You're making me anxious.
Matte Phantom Black.
Matte Phantom Black. Okay, so the Bronco is fully disassembled, as you can see. I think we showed you guys some B-roll of that. We're going to do the fenders today, and then we might try and knock out the doors. We'll see. But we're going to start with this. So we're going to time-lapse this. I was thinking, let us know if you guys want to see some how-to videos on how we do everything, because I think that might be cool too. So, yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so since we're doing the door jams too on this car, as you see we took the doors off and we took the panel off, so the inside's going to be matte black. Right,
yeah.
Okay, just triple checking. We have the knifeless here because the door panel will go to here. So this will be black, this will be black, and then obviously on the outside it will be tan, like that. So, right, Odai?
No.
On this door too, this is black. This is not going to show because the door panel will go on it, but then this will be black, and then the outside of the door will of course be the matte tan. But as you can see here, so this is black, this will get covered up, so we're gonna have to do this black, all this black up to like here, I think, because that gets covered up. So all the inlays are in, as you can see. So now we're gonna do the face. We finally got these hinges off. Those ain't going back on. No. that pillar was green, so I wrapped that black already. So I'm gonna wrap this one black, and then this is gonna be black. And if you jump down with me, I can show you. Here's the door that Ennis has been doing for about 6 days straight. I'm just saying. So the door jambs are finally done. That includes this and these, and then the whole pillar up there. And then if you look here, this is all black. If I open this, the inside of the door is black. Don't look at that screw. And and all of this is black. These are gonna get powder coated because Danny's skill level just isn't there yet. I know we joke a lot about Danny, but he's a good guy. I'm not rolling my eyes this time.
Oh, this again.
I don't want the viewers, all 10 million of them, to think that you're cheap. But so, what are these again?
Bro.
No, okay. So the mirror caps are done, door handles are done. You can see we did black with tan to add some contrast on there. And then we've actually done quite a bit. Today it will be done and put back together. So this is all that's left. And the other side of this, which was green, we wrapped that black. So everything on the inside has been wrapped black. I'll show you over here. Actually, let's go over here because the light's better. So this still just needs to be cut out, but see everything's tan. You open it up, black on the inside, black here, which has been all wrapped, same here. Black, black, these are black, top's black. So all that's left is the tailgate, and then there's some small pieces here we'll show you that we're gonna wrap. So yeah, this has been, I'd say, probably the hardest wrap we've ever had to do because of the door jambs, because of the inside of the doors. But it's looking fantastic, as you can see, of course. This one's done, this one's not. This is pretty much the bumper, the rear bumper, and all that there is for the front bumper is this, so. So Bronco's done. Show you everything. As you can see, there are still a few things missing on it. We're gonna take it to the Ford dealership now. They're gonna put the rest of it on. So there's still a snorkel that goes here, and obviously the soft top. I'll show you around back. There's some more things, but this is how it looks. Oh, and then the rocker panels. Is that what it's called?
Yes.
Yeah. But if you look at it, it looks amazing. The fender flares are in. These are back in. The mirrors are in. We're gonna let the owner decide if they want to do black or the tan. We have them wrapped tan. You can see all this was green. This is all black. These are gonna get powder coated. Oh, actually no. Didn't he say he bought some black ones?
Yeah, so it's getting a bunch of RTR parts.
Yes. Yeah. Yep. And then here is where the spare goes.
Yeah, so that'll get a new RTR part too.
Yeah.
But yeah, shout out Middleton Motorsports.
Yeah.
Follow their YouTube channel. Subscribe. Yeah. This is going to be on the Middleton Motorsports 4x4. Great dudes. Awesome content.
We can link it in the bottom.
Yeah, we'll put a link in the bio.
But I really want to show you guys the door jambs on this side. I mean, if you look in there, all black in here. It just looks amazing. So when this rides with the doors off, all that's going to be black, which is unique because these, you know, they don't come two-tone like that. So looks awesome. I'm going to pull it out for some pictures, and then we'll also show you guys some clips once it's all put together. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So we actually just got word that the Bronco is officially done. Like the owner put all the cool RTR bits on it, so they're gonna bring it by. We'll show you some final B-roll of it, and then this video will be done. Yeah. This is my office.
Man of many talents right here.
Yeah, right.
Fixing the water softener.
Y'all need a new water softener?
Yeah.
You see why I complain? Look at him. We wrapped that whole car. Look what he's doing. No. You want to see something else funny? He child-proofed it. He child-proofed it. Look what he leaves it at. 66.
There you go.
I'm cold. So I'm just marveling at my achievements. As you can see, we got the inlays done.
Is he
So now we're gonna do. Okay, as you can see, we got the inlays done. As you can see, we got the inlays done. As you can see, we got the inlays done. As you can see.
No.